We are back here at Northeast Factory Direct. Joining us is the owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, thank you so much for joining us once again. We are standing in front of these beautiful cabinets, granite quartz, everything. Tell us how you save thousands on beautiful custom-made cabinetry.
Well, first, we buy everything by the truckload. We get 5 semi-truckloads every week full of cabinets specifically for customers. We don't have a fancy place, and we pass the savings on to the customer.
Compare your cabinets to the big box stores, because you could get beautiful cabinets for the same cost that you would in the low grade.
So that's what's really exciting. All of our cabinets come standard. They're all solid wood. We have different wood species: hickory, maple, oak. They're all dovetailed drawers, soft close, drawers, doors. That's standard on all of our cabinets. There's no particle board or MDF on any of our cabinets. And our pricing for all those features is what you'd pay for the builder's grade cheapest particle board stuff off the shelf from one of the big box stores. So we will give you a full custom kitchen for less than what you're going to pay for that.
And you've got hundreds of choices for people. So no matter what your house looks like, you're going to have something for their house.
Our designers will really be able to help you figure out what you need.
And speaking of the designers, you have a great group of people here. They draw it up for you for free at no cost. They come out and measure?
Yeah, we have the latest software. We draw up the whole kitchen three-dimensionally for you. Then we come out to the house and double-check your measurements.
And, you know, if you're going to invest on something in your home, you want to make sure it's done right and all of your people are top shelf, no pun intended. And beyond your kitchen cabinetry, you still have a huge warehouse full of furniture in there.
That's true.
NortheastFactoryDirect.com for furniture, for kitchen cabinets, and we stress, make an appointment. They're busy people. NortheastFactoryDirect.com, east side, west side. Alex Nemeth, thank you once again.